देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताक स्वामिनिति नामिने नमः आचार्यपादाय नित्यकृपाप्रदायिने गौरकथा दामदाय नगरग्रामतारिणे नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशकारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम Ram Ram Hare Hare. I once again welcome all devotees for this beautiful chapter, Vishwarupa Darshanam. See, Vishwarupa Darshanam, actually it is even Virat Rupa Darshanam. Virat Rupa Darshanam is actually meant for you and I. That means the neophyte devotee. Because the Lord has taken so many expansions. He has given many forms, right? But other than the great devotees, we will not be able to understand Lord's form. So for the neophyte devotees, because for them, they want everything manifest. Is it not? Whatever they see, jo dikhta hai, wo bikta hai. This is what it is said in the market, right? So Bhagavan hame dikhe with all opulences, like a great man, then only we neophyte devotees will be able to understand. So this Virat Rupa Darshanam is actually for the neophyte devotees. And in this Virat Rupa Darshanam, Sahasra Mudra, thousands of faces, thousands of suns, thousands of moons we can see. Okay, but the devotees do not want to see this form. This is very, very important. Devotees actually long to see either the Chaturbhuja or Shadbhuja. So what is the difference? The extra two hands in Shadbhuja, that is the Rama Avatara. That is the Khal, what do you call that? Arrow and bow. So other than the Vishnu Rupa, four-handed, Shankar, Chakra, Gada, Padma. So Shatrupa Darshana also, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu given this Shatrupa Darshana in Shiva Sacharya's Angan. When the Sankirtan was going on, he had also shown Shatrupa Darshana that to Advaita Acharya also. That is along with the Shankar, Chakra, Gada, Padma, bow and arrow. Okay, that is also there. So this is Shatrupa. But towards the end of this chapter, after seeing this Vishwarupa Darshana, Arjuna is surrendering to the Lord, telling, I am not able to hold this form. In fact, in between only, Krishna will tell, I am going to show, as you are requesting me, I will show. But with these eyes, you will not be able to appreciate them. You will not be able to have the darshan with this side. So I will have to give you the jnana chakshu, premanjana churita. Premanjana churita chakshu vilochanena. Chakshu without those eyes. Vilakna vilochanena means we will be able to see the Lord. So unless and until the Lord gives us those senses. Premanjana churita chakshu vilochanena sanda sadaiva hridayeshu vilokayanti. Yam Shyama Sundaram, Achintya Gunaswarupam. See, Shyama Sundara Rup, he said. So Arjuna requesting Lord Krishna, I can't see this form. I am not able to behold. So kindly show your Chaturbhuja. So, but when the Lord showed the Chaturbhuja, Arjuna is not satisfied. He is requesting him to come back in his two-handed form in front of him. How you were, Krishna, you please come back. What Krishna says at the end, oh Arjuna, this two-handed form, very, 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 very rare. Durlabha. Even great devotees will not be able to. Yogis, 200% not. Right? Jnanis perceive Brahman realization. Yogis perceive Paramatma realization. Only Bhaktas perceive Bhagavan realization. Srila Prabhupada has given the examples. 2-3 examples he has given. It's like understanding the sun rays. Sun rays understanding is like Brahman realization. Then the sun disk realization. Understanding the sun disk is like Paramatma realization. And understanding the sun planet is like understanding Bhagavan realization. Another beautiful example Srila Prabhupada is giving. People who are ignorant, who are not aware what a train is. So they will go to the station to see. See, I remember when I was very young, I'm talking about the 1970s. Okay, in 1970s, we were in a very, I mean, my birthplace is a very small village. Okay, from there, they used to take us to Madurai or Chennai to show the airport and all, those days, in 1971, 72, I'm talking about. Okay, they used to take us a big school picnic and they used to take us to the airport and no permission was given to enter into the flight. So in the airport, far away, they used to show us that too permission with great difficulty one used to get because school and school children they used to get. So very far in the airport where passengers are nowadays waiting, these kind of big airports were not at all there. You enter the airport, you can see the runway and straight away we can see, but from very far. There was no launchers, there was no that waiting rooms, etc. It was like today's railway station also is bigger than those days airports. So similarly, when people want to see the train, very olden days, what they would have gone to the railway station to see the train. So they see the, so they see the train from very far away place coming. So what do people used to say? See, you can see a light, very powerful light is coming. That is train. Like that they will tell. So immediately, some people who are satisfied with their own train is this only. What else is there to see? They will go away. Some people will for some more time wait and watch. Then they see the big, long, they will call as boxes, big boxes are coming. Seeing that long one, they will proceed. But some people will wait till the last train will come. They will get into the train. They will have a feel of the train. They will see the passenger seats, etc. Even the toilets. Oh, in the train, toilets are also there. So like that, they try to understand the train, what is actual train. Similarly, Jnanis, those who are only well-versed in understanding the Vedas and scripture, whatever the Veda has said, yes, Bhagavan means Brahman effulgent. The light effulgent only is ruling this entire universe. So with that, they are satisfied. Oh, this is only the, like, what you call, Brahman. Like that they think and they leave. They leave means they are satisfied with that. Other people who are yogis, they go till the samadhi level, right? Yamniyama, asana, pranayam, pratyahara, samadhi, dharana, dhyan, samadhi. So those people understand, I am not this body. There is another Paramatma, super soul residing in me. That is only giving permission for all the desires which the soul is perceiving. So like that they understand. For them, Paramatma realization is sufficient. But the devotees are not there. So devotees want to see, long to see. They really long to see Lord's the two-handed Shyama Sundara form. Okay? So similarly here you see neophytes. They are very happy with the Virat Rupa. Sahasra Murda, Sahasrasa, Sahasra Baju, all those things that they see thousands, they are happy. Oh, this is what is Bhagavan. But that is totally temporary. Virat Rupa is temporary. And it is actually, Krishna says it is imaginary. It is material. But whereas the transcendental form of the Lord is permanent and that is transcendental. This is material, that is transcendental. What is meant by material? Nashwar. It will perish. That's why we said it's not permanent. But transcendental means what? Ever existing is known as transcendental. Okay, so these are the difference between Virata Rupa and Lord's other forms. Okay, Hare Krishna. These all are very important to know, because we are going to see the Virat Rupa. It's very good. At least we are able to see the Virat Rupa thanks to all Arjuna. Arjuna is also telling the first 2-3 verses. Oh Krishna, can you show me? Like why? Very important. Why he is telling? Because yesterday people heard theoretically all your opulences. But everybody may not believe. I am your dear friend. You are showing it to me. That's what people will say. It was Arjuna. That is why he said, this is all I believe. Like that he says. Why should other people believe? So can you please show your this Vishwarupa Darshana, so that in future, anybody who doubts you, who does not have Shraddha in you, they would like to see your form. So if you show it clearly, they will not, they will have Shraddha in you. They will believe you. They will not have doubt in you. Secondly, that is very, very important. Anybody in this Kali Yuga comes and tells, I am the God, worship me only. And later, sorry to say, they go to jail, isn't it? But they make people, and people also become very, we become fools in front of them. When the Lord is there, Archa Vigraha is equal to the Lord himself. Archa Vigraha, the deities in the temples are considered that the Lord is, Prana Pratishtha had been done. So that means the prana has been given to the deities. That is why in ISKCON you see, and all minimum 3 times bhoga offering with varieties of bhoga. It's not that at home and all one rice if you make and put one ghee and tell Lord, I'm in a hurry to go, you give also, Lord accept. He doesn't want patra pushpam palam toyam eme bhaktya prechati. But the Lord accepts. He wants the bhava only. But we should be that. Archa Vigraha, it is considered to be the Lord himself. So there is another analogy came again into my mind. Why I started this, I may forget. So please be careful. Think Srila Prabhupada tells in his analogies, one of the purport. What does he say? If anyone wants to post the letter and they want the letter to reach the proper destination, they cannot post it in any box which looks red on the street. There are authorized post boxes. So if you post our letters in the authorized post boxes, that will reach the right destination. Similarly, whatever we want, not materially, but bhakti should be ahaitikya pratigata. Spiritually, whatever we want. Oh Krishna, give me more Vaishnava Seva. Oh Krishna, I am not that, lucky to have Padaduli Padajale Bhakta Uchishta. Please, Krishna, give me that opportunity. In fact, we should ask Lord for more Vaishnava Seva. That is all we should ask. So if you go to Archa Vigraha and we pray to the Archa Vigraha to give us more Vaishnava association, to give us more Vaishnava Seva, it will reach the right destination and we will get. I'm really telling you, once we accept the Guru, the mercy is totally different. Till we receive Guru also. Who comes first? Bhagwan comes first or Guru comes first? It is the same question as Ken or Chick. Which comes first? Bhagwan tells, Guru will help you to come and reach me. Then who will give us the Guru? Bhagavan will give us the Guru. So who comes first? It is all our association. It is all the Shraddha Sadhu Sangha. Once we develop, the Lord understands our Baba in our heart. Oh, this soul wants to come back to me. So let me give Guru to this soul. Then he will show us the Guru. Once Guru comes to me, they take us. Prabhupada told to one of his devotees who asked him, oh Prabhupada, you will leave this world. Then you have been promising you will take us. How we can reach you, reach Lord's abode? Prabhupada says, you don't worry about that. It is my responsibility. Even if you go to the, lower planetary system, I will come here and I will take you to Krishna Loka. This is a guarantee all our gurus give us. Hare Krishna. So with this introduction, with all this bhav, if you see the Virat Rupa, you will really enjoy. You will have the bliss of enjoying the Vishwarupa Darshanam. Hare Krishna. Arjuna Vacha Madanugrahaya Paramam Guhyam Adhyatma Sangitam Yatva Yoktam Vachastena Mohoyam Vigatamama. Arjuna said, I have heard your instructions on confidential spiritual spiritual matters which you have so kindly delivered to me. So all my illusion have been dispelled. This he has been telling from second chapter, Karpanya Dosho, isn't it? But now I am not able to understand. Please, whatever you want to instruct me, instruct, I will listen. That's it. But Krishna started with Karma Yoga. So Arjuna started getting more and more and more in doubt. And every chapter he kept on asking doubts and doubts and doubts. But now what Arjuna is saying, I have no doubt at all. I am convinced that you are the Parama Purusha. You are the absolute truth. There is nothing above you. There is nothing equal to you. You are the Param Brahma, Param Dhamma. Yesterday it came, right? Param Brahma, Param Dhamma. Pavitram Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adidevam Agam Vibhum, he said. So after telling you are the Supreme Personality of God, also he is giving some instruction to Krishna. You see, over notice side 1. I have heard from you in detail about the appearance and disappearance of every living entity. Krishna very clearly explained, when the Brahmas day and night also they are created and they are annihilated. And at the end of each yuga, at the end of each yuga also, everybody is created and annihilated. And at the same time, whenever the Purusha avatar takes place, whenever the Mahavishnu, Krishna expands into Mahavishnu, Mahavishnu expands into 3 Purusha avatara. Karnadakshay Vishnu, Garbhodakshay Vishnu, and Kshirodakshay Vishnu. That time Maha Pralaya takes place. The other Pralayas are Sarga Visargas are not primary. Okay. So that is as realized through your inexhaustible glories. See, yesterday you told, I have heard from Asita, Devala, everybody I have heard. Now you only are telling from your own mouth, Krishna. So I believe. Like that he was saying, I have no doubt in me. So here again he is saying the same thing. You yourself have told length about your glories. He told yesterday, you remember how many? I think 64. I am this, I am this, I am this, he has told. O greatest of all personalities, O supreme form, though I see here before me your actual position, I yet wish to see how you have entered into this cosmic manifestation that is in a material form. So that yesterday what you told, I am the Meru mountain in the mountains, I am the ocean in water bodies. So can I see all those things? That is what is material cosmic manifestation, material energy. I want to see that form. Why he wants to see? It's very important. If you think that I am able to behold your cosmic form, oh my Lord, oh Master of all mystic power, then you kindly show me that universal form. Okay? So please remember why Arjuna insisted is for the people like you and me to believe, and for those people who claim that they are the God, they are Krishna, they are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. They claim, can you even imagine they are the Supreme Personality of Godhead? Then we can immediately tell, oh, you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead, then you please show us the universal form. Once in a Srila Prabhupada's time, one devotee was saying, claiming that he's God, God, God. So what did Srila Prabhupada say? He invited him for prasada. Lot of prasada. Lord, he could not eat. He kept on saying, you must eat. If you are Lord, you will eat. You remember Govardhan Giri? Whoever was offering, he was going on eating. Finally, they could not feed him only. So what did they do? Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, I think. Yeah, that day I didn't remember. One Tulasi Dal. He brought and offered one Tulasi Dal. Then Govardhan said, oh, I'm full now. I can't eat anything. Oh, that means that is Mahima of Tulasi. So here Srila Prabhupada told this devotee, okay, you are the Lord, then you eat everything. If you are the Lord, you can eat. If you are the Lord, when you are saying you are unable to eat, and then that person wanted to go to the restroom very badly. Srila Prabhupada sent him to the restroom and locked from outside. First he troubled him. We will not allow you to go. We will not allow you to go. And you control, no? You are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So like that, people claim that they are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So if that is why Krishna is showing the Vishwarupa Darshana, so that people claiming they are the Vishwarupa, they are the Virat Rupa, they are the Paramapurusha, we can tell them to show us. That's why we should be all very grateful to Arjuna. Because of him, we are able to have Virat Rupa Darshana today. The blessed Lord said, my dear Arjuna, O son of Partha, behold my opulences. It's very difficult to hold my opulences. Hundreds of thousands of very divine forms, multicolored like the sea. So it will be very difficult to behold. Kindly take care. Okay, whatever you wish to see can be seen all at once in this body. See whatever you wish to see. Something in future you want to see, you can see. Something in the past you want to see, you can see. Present you want to see, you can see. So anything you desire in your mind, it's like a kalpataru. Desire in your mind, that will be shown to you. Okay, so whatever you wish to see can be seen. The universal form can show you all that you desire, as well as you may desire in future. Everything is here, is completely. Nothing is left. Okay, but you cannot see with your present eyes. So therefore, I will give you a divine eyes, like Vyasadeva gave divine eyes to Sanjaya, so that Sanjaya is able to sit in front of Dhritarashtra and he is able to see the war-filled Kurukshetra, and he is telling everything. Whatever is happening in Kurukshetra, he is explaining to Dhritarashtra. So that, those eyes, that is what is Premanjana Charita. Therefore, I give you divine eyes with which you will be able to hold my opulences. See, there are, in Singapore and all, Sentosa. Yeah, in Singapore, in Sentosa, there are so many rides. In fact, in the rides itself, when you go, you will feel water is falling on you, it is raining, or it is very cold, all those things. There, some of the feel to get, they give these glasses, magnificent glasses. You wear that and go, the 3D will be, if there is a magician, you will feel that the magician is coming and hitting your head and telling. In the magic shows, they say, no, hit somebody and tell, they say, what is this, like that and all. You will have that feeling. So they give this mystic glasses. So Krishna is also giving his mystic class. That means his Jnana Chakshu. He is blessing Arjuna. I bless you with this Jnana Chakshu with which you will be able to see all my mystic opulences. Mystic means which we cannot perceive with our inconceivable potencies. Okay? We cannot even think about it. They are known as mystic opulences. Like, can you imagine Hanuman became bigger, and when Surasa also opening her mouth as big as possible. Then before Surasa could close her mouth, Hanuman became the smallest, went into her stomach and came out also. This and all, we may think, how is it possible? Because with our limited intelligence, we cannot understand. For that, yes, Krishna, there is a beautiful story. Today I have exam. You remember Narada's story for Anu and Vibhu. Okay, I will tell. If I finish before 5 minutes before 8 o'clock. Sanjay Uvacha, Evam Yuktva Tado Rajan Mahayogeshwaro Harihi Darshanayama Saparthaya Paramam Rupam Aishwaram. Krishna's Rupam is Aishwaram. We have those opulences, you remember? Aishwaryasya Samagrasya Yasasya Viryasya Shikha Jnana Vairagya Sannam Iti Banna. What is the time? Your last line I forgot. Aishwaryasya Samagrasya Yasasya Shriyaha Jnana Vairagya Chaiva Sannam Baha Itingana. So 6 opulences, Aishwarya Samagra. So he is saying your Rupam is Aishwaryam. What is that? Sanjaya said, O king, speaking thus, the supreme, the Lord of all mystic power, the personality of Godhead, displayed his universal form to Arjuna. Hari Hari Bol. Yeah, who can read very fast? Can we read anybody? Hare Krishna, Mataji has shared the attendance register. Kindly, please post it. Fill it up. Yeah, who wants to read?
Hare
Yes,
Krishna
Mataji.
Mataji.
Read, Mataji.
11.10 to 11.11. Arjuna saw in that universal form unlimited mouths and unlimited eyes. It was all wondrous. The form was decorated with divine dazzling ornaments and arrayed in many garbs. He was garlanded gloriously, and there were many saints smeared over his body. All was magnificent, all expanding, unlimited. This was seen by Arjuna. 11.12. If hundreds of thousands of suns rose up at once into the sky, they might resemble the effulgence of Supreme Person in that universal form. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Haribol. See that Brahman effulgence we say, no? Actually, Brahman effulgence is just the reflection of the Lord in his abode, you know. That Brahman effulgence, neophyte devotees want to merge with it. They do not want to understand the Paramatma and Bhagavan realization. Okay, so that is why, you know, the Brahman effulgence covers this material body, covers Lord's reflection. So beyond Brahmaloka, we cannot see beyond this Brahman effulgence, we need the sun to get light. Above that, there is no need for the sun. What does the Lord says? Not Akam. Gama Vishecha Bhutani Dharayamyaka Ojasa Pushnami Chaushadi Sarga Somo Bhutvara Saratmakaha. Krishna says that I hold all these planets as it has been tied in the with the Dharayamyaka Ojasa. Yes, I forgot the verse number. 15.6. न तद भासयते सूर्यो न शशांको न पावकः. Nothing is needed. Na tad bhasayate suryo. Na shashanka, shashi. Na sachanko pavaka. Yadgatvana nivartante. Taddhamam paramam mama. 15.6. What does the Lord say? In my abode, there is no need for sun. There is no need for moon. Because my world is always shining, effulging. The suns, like now Arjuna will say, thousands of suns it is said. Krishna only is saying. So Krishna's Dhamma is like that. There is no need for sun or moon. But here, Arjuna is seeing thousands of eyes in Lords. There are thousands of universes. How many universes? You know, we can't count the hair on our body, isn't it? Like that, so many. When, you know, get into the water with breathing, how many bubbles come? So many bubbles come, right? So similarly, Krishna's incarnations itself are compared to the water outlets from the river. So many outlets will be there. It is like the water flowing from the incessant waterfall. Those many incarnations will not take. That means we can imagine. We know only about very few which have been taken for specific purpose, in the sense to show the Shakti, like Narada Avatar incarnation, to emphasize the importance of devotional service. There is no other great devotee than Narada can be, is it not? But otherwise, Lord's, it is like that waves keep coming and going, keep coming and going. Like that, incarnations are like that. So here it is said, we know thousands of sun, if it is there in one's body, how it will look like that. You see the Rupa, how they all are looking. Asura, Devatas, everything is on Lord's Rupa. Okay, read Mataji. At that time,
Hare Krishna Mataji. 11.13.
Yes,
At that time, Arjuna could see in the universal form of the Lord the unlimited expansions of the universe situated in one place, although divided into many thousands. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Continue, Mataji.
11.14. Then bewildered and astonished seer, standing and in Arjuna began to pray with folded hands, offering obeisance to the Supreme Lord.
Continue, Mataji. You are the
I read,
supreme.
Mataji. I read.
No, this one, Mataji. The screen has not changed. Acha,
No,
screen,
Mataji.
screen has not shared.
11.18. 11.18. You are the
Ah.
supreme primal objective. You are the best in the all the universe. You are inexhaustible, and you are the oldest, and you are the maintainer of religion and the eternal personality of Godhead. 11.19. You are the origin without beginning, middle, or end. You have numberless arms, and sun and moon are among your great unlimited eyes. By your own radiance, you are heating this entire universe. 11.20. Although you are one, you are spread throughout the sky and the planets and all spaces between. O great one, as I behold this terrible form, I see that all the planetary systems are perplexed. 11.21. As the demigods are surrendering and entering onto you, they are very much afraid. With folded hands, they are.
With folded hands they are, and they are Stuvantitvam Stutibigi Pushkalabigi. And they are all the time talking about your glories. They all the time glorify you. So here, what is it said, you see? See, the Vishwarupa is so big. Arjuna is not able to understand where it starts, where it ends. Na adi na anta. There is no middle even. And see, the faces itself, thousands of faces. Multiply 2 hands. And actually, the Lord has Vishnu 4 hands. And then there are so many hands he is having right now in his Vishwarupa Darshana. And his effulgence is heating mother. It's creating heat in the entire universe. That place is so hot. Arjuna is saying that they are not able to bear the heat. And the last one, all the demigods are surrendering and entering into you. That is why we said it is temporary. See, Arjuna is able to see all the 33 crore devatas in Krishna's body now. So he said, see, this is a material rupa. In the material world, whatever Krishna has created, everything they are able to see in Lord. Say, for example, Ritus. Yesterday example we saw. I am the, what is that, Sharat Ritu. I am the ocean. So all oceans of all universes, Arjuna is able to see in Krishna's body. So now what happened? Like Arjuna is seeing this Vishwarupa, Devatas are also seeing. Devatas are also wondering, what is it happening? Krishna is showing this Rupa. What happened? So they all are bewildered, perplexed. You see, 20 last point. I see that all the planetary systems are perplexed. So planetary systems are 14 planetary systems in this loka itself. 7 upper planetary system, their lower planetary system, 7. So like that, how many universes are there? Multiply 14. So all planetary system, people in these upper planetary system, Devatas are there. Lower planetary system, Asuras are there. So they all are perplexed to see your this Vishwarupa. Yes, Mataji. Almighty Ram. Arjuna. Hare Krishna, Mataji, we are not able to hear you.
Next slide, Mataji.
Yeah. Achha, why is it taking time? I changed actually. Yes, Mataji.
11.23. O mighty armed one, all the planets with their
2,
demigods are
3.
disturbed by
Mataji, 2, 6 and 7 I have changed. You are not able to see that?
No,
It's
Mataji.
visible, Mataji.
Yes,
11.26
11.2.
is visible to me.
2, 6 and 2, 7.
11.26 to 27.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
2, 6 and 2. All the sons of Dhritarashtra, along with their allied kings and Bhishma, Drona, and Karna, and all our soldiers are rushing into your mouths, their heads smashed by your fearful teeth. I see that some are being crushed between your teeth as well. 11.28. As the rivers flow into the sea, so all these great warriors enter your blazing mouths and perish. Hare
So
Krishna Mata.
in the Kurukshetra, whoever is there, in the Kurukshetra field, whoever are standing in front of Krishna, and Arjuna, who are from Kaurava's side and Pandava's side, all of them are entering into Lord's mouth. So that means what, except 5 people. They are Panchapandavas. Even Panchapandavas' children are also entering. We know Ashwatthama killed them, thinking they are Panchapandavas. Is it not? So Arjuna is telling, oh Lord, I am able to see. He is seeing, in fact. Everybody who all are standing, Arjuna is perplexed because he is seeing Bhishma Pitama. They're standing in front of him and he is entering into Krishna's mouth. And some people are crushed, maybe like all those, Duryodhana, etc. Maybe looking like they're getting crushed in between the Lord's teeth. So, except Panchapandavas, 5, he is seeing everybody, like the river flows, from the top it flows to the bottom, how fast, speed it will come. So, like that, all the people standing there in the Kurukshetra are getting into Lord's womb in the form of like river water flowing. That means their dead bodies are going into the Lord's mouth. Yes, Mataji. The blessed Lord said that I am...
said, Time I am destroyer of the worlds, and I have come to engage all people, with the exception of you, the Pandavas. All the soldiers here on both sides will be slain. Hare Krishna.
So all will be slain except Panchapandava. So that means Krishna has already told what is going to happen. That's why Krishna gave a hint, Arjuna, whatever you want to see in the future, you can see. Probably Arjuna thought in his mind, who is going to win? The Lord is showing. Except the Panchapandavas, nobody else is. This is one reason Arjuna asked in the beginning. You remember, there is no enjoyment. Lord, after the war is over, what do you think we'll be able to enjoy? There will be nobody. But also he told Varna Shankara, what will happen to this family tradition? These people will die here. All these young soldiers will die here. And what will their wives do? What will their children do? If they don't have children, it will lead to Varna Shankara. That means these ladies, because of their compassion, they may get into wrong way of progeniting. Long way of creating children. Who will give Shraddha ceremony to their parents? So what am I going to enjoy, Krishna? I don't want to fight. This is what Krishna started. And Arjuna told, see, if you don't want to fight, you want to run away, people will talk ill about you. For a Kshatriya, you will not be able to bear it. Secondly, what he said, this Duryodhana, in his hand, you want to leave, what Varna Shankara, he will follow. He brought Kula Vadhu, to the field, Bari Sabha, he brought, and they started doing Vastarharana from her. To that Duryodhana, you want to leave everybody? So don't worry. Arjuna, if you are killed, you will enjoy my abode. If you are not killed, you will enjoy the kingdom. He said no, that is what. So same, this was the reason Arjuna told. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. Tasmat tvam uttishta yasho labhasva jitva shatrun bhunksva rajyam samruddham mayaivaite nitata purvam eva nimitta matram bhavasaiva sachi. Nimitta matram, this is very important, just underline. That is why we Vaishnava should never listen to any glories. We all are only instrument. Let's see, the Lord knows. He makes somebody instrument. He knows the end is given by him, the beginning is given by him. But he made people nimitta matra, make them instrument. We all are. He made Srila Prabhupada as an instrument to give us this ISKCON. So Srila Prabhupada came. Srila Prabhupada is his Nitya Siddha. Because Nitya Siddhas are eternal associates of the Lord. So they have already attained Siddhi. They are not Nitya Baddha. We all are Nitya Baddha, bound. Baddha means bound. Siddha means liberated. So he came. So Srila Prabhupada, Krishna used as an instrument to give us this ISKCON. Yes, Mataji, meaning Hare Krishna translation.
Therefore, get up and prepare to fight. Therefore, get up and prepare to fight. After conquering your enemies, you will enjoy flourishing kingdom. They are already put to death by my arrangement, and you, Savyasachin, can be put in instrument in the fight. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. It's a change. Next slide.
Mataji. Yes,
The-
Mataji. Now, 0.34. The blessed Lord said, all the great warriors Drona, Bhishma, Jayadratha, Karna are already destroyed. Simply fight and you will vanquish your enemies.
See, here Krishna is giving instruction, but they're already put to death. And also he is telling they have already been destroyed. So what does it tell? That Krishna has already decided their destiny. So he is only again telling Arjuna why? Because he wants to give the credit to his devotees. And Krishna tells, my devotees, Chipram Bhavati Dharmatma Sakshat Shantini Gachati Kaunteya Pratijanihi Name Bhakta Pranashyati. 9th chapter, I think 31 or 32, somewhere around. What does Krishna say? Chipram Bhavati Dharmatma, my devotees will never perish. Kaunteya Pratijanihi, oh Arjuna, Name Bhakta Pranachati, my devotees will never perish. You tell this to everybody. Why can't Krishna tell? Krishna can tell, no, my devotees are never perish. No, Krishna always wants to give the credit to his devotees. He doesn't want anything. Sugriva, see, he killed Ravana. And after killing Ravana, he gave the kingdom to Vibhishana. Similarly, anything you take Ram, he left everything and he went. He gave the kingdom to Bharat. Similarly, here, who is that? Kansa. After killing Kamsa, he did not rule. He gave it to his father. Right? So, like that, Krishna doesn't want anything. Krishna wants his devotees to flourish, not perish. That is the reason he's telling, I am using you as an instrument. You take the credit. Everybody will take now. Arjuna was the warrior. So you take. Actually, now warrior, it reminds me. Nita Sevini Mataji's lecture, you all may be hearing, in one of the lectures, she was telling how to end the worries. So he said, so in that, he said, convert the worries into warriors. Convert the warriors into winners. See, when I was talking about this soldiers getting devastated, I'm really sorry. Sorry, I got into that yesterday's Kashmir thing. So soldiers are killed. That's what we saw now. How brutally, this is brutality, right? Young married couple who have gone there for honeymoon in front of them, in front of small children. That is the actually Kali Yuga. In Kali Yuga, we don't think that the same Paramatma who is in me is in everybody's heart. The thought is not at all there, right? So Krishna is telling now, don't worry about them. These people deserve that. Who all are standing in front of they deserve that. Because when Draupadi was brought to that court, nobody supported Draupadi. Nobody told Duryodhan not to do that. So these people deserve that only. So you have seen already, they are getting destroyed in me. So let them. You get up and you fight. Yes, Mataji.
11.35. Sanjaya said to Dhritarashtra, O king, after hearing these words from the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Arjuna trembled and fearfully offered obeisance with the folded hands and began falteringly to speak as follows. 11.36. O Rishikesha, the world becomes joyful upon hearing your name, and thus everyone becomes attached to you. Although the perfected beings offer you their respectful homage, the demons are afraid and they flee here and there. All this is rightly done. 11.37. O great one, who stands above even a Brahma, you are the original master. Why should they not offer their homage up to you? O limitless one, O refuge of the universe, you are the invincible source, the cause of all causes, transcendental to this material manifestation. 11.38. Yeah, 11.38 is gone, Mataji. 11.41, 11.42. I have in the past.
3.8 is gone.
Yes, 3.8 is now visible.
Yeah.
0.38, you are the original personality, the Godhead. You are the only sanctuary of this manifested cosmic world. You know everything, and you are all that is knowable. You are the above the material modes of limitless form. This whole cosmic manifestation is pervaded by you.
Nagam Sarvasya Prabhu. No. Nagoyam Vartamanani cha Bhavishani cha Bhutani cha. 7th chapter. Krishna says, no, even to Arjuna also told, oh Arjuna, whatever you want to see in the future and in the past also you can see. So here also the same, the knowable. The Lord is the knower and the Lord is knowable. The object of knowledge is the Lord. The knower is also the Lord. You may get confused. This will be beautifully explained in the 13th chapter. 13th chapter again, Arjuna will ask 8 questions. Who is this? I mean, what is meant by Kshetra? That means what is this body? And who is the knower of this body? What is to be known? All those. There are, I think, 6, sorry, not 8. 6 questions Arjuna is going to ask in the 13th chapter. But before that, you know everything and you are all that is knowable. Arjuna is telling, one has to know about you, you are the knower. See, Bhagavad Gita comprises of 5 subjects, right? What is the first one? Ishvara. Second one, Jiva. And the third one is, what is third one? Karma, material nature. And the last one is Kala. These are the 5 subject nature. So here, oh great one, 11.37, you see, who stands above even Brahma? Brahma came from Mahavishnu. Mahavishnu first expanded as Karnodakshaya. From Karnodakshaya, he expanded as Garbhodakshaya. So when from this Garbhodakshaya, Vishnu's navel, Brahma came. So we all think Brahma is the creator. But you are the creator of Brahma. See, that is why, no, the Lord has got 64 opulences. But 64, what is that? Shodasha Kala, we say, that is 16 activities and 64 opulence, Kalani. After the 64 Kala, 60 Kalas Vishnu has. 4 Kalas Vishnu does not have. What is it? Venu, Murli Madhuri, Rupa Madhuri, Leela Madhuri, and Prema Madhuri. Venu or Murli, only Krishna will have. You can't see in Vishnu. Rupa Madhuri, the beauty of Shyamasundara form. Ever, Krishna had grandchildren also, but he always looked 16-year-old boy, isn't it? Rupa Madhuri. But many Vishnu temple, you see, Vishnu will be lying down. He's so tired after maintaining. Vishnu is a maintainer, right? After maintaining everybody, there is one, what is that? One place. We call it as 108 Divya Desam. In that one Divya Desam is there. There, the Vishnu will be lying down with his head on. That big measuring things will be there, 10 kilos. You can measure in that. And those days they used to measure the paddy which used to come from the field. They used to measure such a big one. And they will measure and pour it. So Vishnu is keeping that one under his head. And 6 feet Vishnu lying down. What is it said in that temple, After feeding everybody, Vishnu was so tired, he came to that Kshetra and he lie down there. But Krishna is not like that. Whatever he said as, he will always looking young and energetic only. Whole day he ran. Yashoda Maya got tired. He, such a small, tiny boy, did not get tired. Kept on even making Yashoda Maya run behind him. Is it not? So that is what. So you are the original master, even above Brahma. Why should they not have offer their homages? Obviously, see, in our work field, what do we say? Yes, boss. To that boss, we say yes. Krishna is a boss of all boss. Why they will not offer all the devatas offer their obeisances to him? Understood? So that is what Brahma has got. Vishnu has got 60 kala. Shivaji has got 54 kalas. Brahma has only 50 kalas. So Brahma is like us only, living entity. Brahma is a Jiva Tattva, living entities as well. The other day I told, even if Krishna determines who will become next Brahma. And if there is nobody to become Brahma, Krishna only becomes a Brahma. So that Kala, in percentage, if you say, I think 93% Vishnu has got, 84% Shivaji has got, 74% Brahma has got. Out of 64, we are talking, no? So this is what these other devatas have. But Shivaji, we should never compare with the Jiva Tattva. He is in marginal between the Jiva Tattva and the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Only thing why we do not consider it at the level of Supreme Personality of Godhead is he is associated with the Tamo Guna. That is the only reason. Because all three, Yugavatar, Gunavatar, there is Guna Avatar. Who are they? Sattva, Raja, Tamo. These are the Guna Avatar. Okay, so Vishnu is associated with Sattva Guna, maintenance. Brahma is associated with Rajoguna, action, creation. Shivaji is associated with it. It doesn't mean Shivaji has got Tamoguna. No, he's associated. All the gunas which belong to out of the 64 Tamoguna, Shivaji is responsible for those. Okay, 13th chapter will help you to understand about all those 24 qualities, who is which quality, what is it and that. Okay, so don't miss it. And tomorrow is a culmination of Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti Yoga culminates tomorrow. Tomorrow, beautiful formula Krishna says, starts from the highest. This is a real Bhakta. If you cannot do all these things, he is giving lesser category. Lesser, like that. 6 category he has made. Finally, he has come to the category of us. If you are not able to do all these things, no problem. Do whatever you want in your life. I will not ask you. Still, I will consider you as a Bhakta. When? After doing everything, you say Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. It doesn't mean we will murder also and we will say Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Not like that. Krishna says, all those people are very dear to me. Some Aham Sacha Me Priyaka, Aham Sacha Me Priyaka. Like that 6 category of people he is telling. So don't miss tomorrow. Hare Krishna Mataji, you can read this.
For one photo, I have in the past addressed you as O Krishna, O Yadava, O my friend, without knowing your glories. Please forgive whatever I may have done in madness or in love. I have dishonored you many times while relaxing or while laying on the same bed or eating together, sometimes alone and sometimes in front of many friends. Please excuse me for all my offenses. Hare Krishna.
Here also, before this, what happens, those verses are now given. Arjuna is not able to behold this. So Arjuna is requesting Krishna, Krishna, please don't show me this anymore. I am not able to bear it because the effulgence is so fearful, not only that, unbearable heat. So please show me your 400 form. He saw the 400 form. He is not at all satisfied with that also. Krishna, because 400 form is, Vishnu form is Aishwarya form. See, the Prime Minister, for example, when he goes to office, he goes in a different get-up. But when he comes home, he is in a different get-up. His grandchildren who want to play with him, that Goda, elephant and all play, no? Those grandchildren, would they like to see the Prime Minister in Aishwarya Bhav, in which Bhav he goes to the parliament, or would they like to see him, the form which they, exhibit in their homes? Obviously, grandchildren want that form. There they cannot play with him. Chuppam Chupayi and all they play. So this is like that only. Krishna form is this Prime Minister at home, how he exists. And that 400, 600, all these forms are of Aishwarya Bhav. So Krishna in Vrindavan is in Madhurya Bhav, is in Vatsalya Bhav. Same Krishna in Dwaraka is in Aishwarya Bhav because he is a king there. In Vrindavan, he is, like somebody asked Prabhupada, can you show me the Lord? What did Prabhupada say? You want to see Lord, or there is somebody above Lord? Whom do you want to see? He said, Prabhupada, if somebody is above Lord, I want to see above Lord. What Prabhupada showed, no? Damodar picture he showed. Damodar picture, what is happening? Yashoda Maya is running with the stick between Krishna and Krishna is running. So Prabhupada asked that guy, who is bigger in this? See this picture? Krishna is bigger or the person who is chasing him is bigger? He said, yes, Prabhupada, Yashoda Maya only is great. So like that, so that Bhava, Aishwarya Bhav, he showed Virata Rupa, not satisfied. He showed Vishnu form, 400. Arjuna is not satisfied. He wants that Shyama Sundara form, which is so beautiful. Vrindavan, not in Vrindavan, actually Gopis. Gopis, they got a chance to converse with Brahma. Brahma came. Brahma, Vimamana, Leela, so many things we know. So they are scolding Brahma. This Brahma, you don't have any sense at all. How you have created this human body? See, when we are with Krishna and when we are seeing him, this, like eyebrows, na? No, what do you call that? Eyelashes. These eyelashes keep closing and opening, So that fraction of a second, when we close our eyelids, we are not able to see. But actually speaking, they enjoy the Viragha. They enjoy that. When Krishna is in front of them, they don't enjoy that much. When Krishna is not in front of them, they enjoy. Because they, when Krishna is there in front, mind may be roaming around somewhere. When Krishna is not there, the mind is roaming around, running behind only Krishna. So they all enjoy that Viragha Bhav. Okay, that is what is in Vrindavan. Gopis enjoy. Hare Krishna. So finally, Krishna showed his two-handed form. Yes, Mataji. After seeing this universal
11.4. The universal form which I've never seen before. But at the same time, my mind is disturbed with fear. Therefore, please bestow your grace upon me and reveal again your form as the personality of Godhead, O Lord of Lords, O abode
So
of the
again,
universe.
she is
Hare Krishna.
requesting to see Shyama Sundara form. O universal Lord,
11.46. O Universal Lord, I wish to see you and your four-armed form with helmeted head and with club wheel, conches and lotus flower in your hands. I long to see you in that form. 11.48. O best of Kuru warriors, no one before you has ever seen this universal form of mine, for neither by studying of the Vedas, nor by performing sacrifices, nor by charities or similar activities can this form be seen. Only you have seen this. 11.49. Your mind has been perturbed upon seeing this horrible feature of mine. Now let it be finished. My devotee, be free from all disturbances. With a peaceful mind, you can go now. You can now see the form you.
Form you wish to
Hare
see. Two-handed form, the form you wish to see. Hare Krishna, you all may get a doubt. Here Krishna is saying that he had never shown this universal form to anybody. Then what did he show? He had showed this universal form many places. Yashoda Maya's mouth, right? Yashoda Maya could see everything what exists in the universe into his mouth. He also showed to all those who are in that courtier, Duryodhans. When he went as a Shanti Duta, they wanted some tea, all those things. At that time, Shishupal, is going on. But Shishupal has got that blessing from the Lord, right? 100 mistakes I will bear, beyond that I will not. So all those things when they were happening, Krishna Sudarshan Chakra came and it, slit Shishupal's this thing. That time, and when these all things were happening, Duryodhan wanted to arrest Krishna when he went as a Chatiduta. A big cage came down. That time Krishna is, he made that into pieces and he is showing the Virat Rupa. Then why he is saying it is not? All those Virat Rupas are partial Virat Rupa. Like this is the full, nothing in this material world which we are able to see is missing from this Virat Rupa. That is why he is saying, I have never shown this to anybody. So finally, Arjuna is requesting him to show the two-handed form. Yes, Mataji. Sanjaya said.
Jaya said to Dhritarashtra, the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, while speaking thus to Arjuna, displayed his real four-armed form, and at last he showed us his two-armed form, thus encouraging the fearful Arjuna. Hare
Because
Krishna
Arjuna
Mataji.
was so much Hare Krishna, he was so much fearful, no? So he wanted to make Arjuna comfortable, because you remember in between Arjuna told, "Oh Krishna, I'm really, really sorry. I did not know about opulences. I have scolded you. I have played with you. I have made all these gopas, they used to make Krishna goda goda. They used to sit on him and they used to hit with their hand. Here also Arjuna is going to do that, because Arjuna is, Krishna is a Parthasarathi. That is how the warrior soldiers, they hit on which side they hit the Sarathi, that side they have to take the chariot. So Krishna is so merciful, no? He has played so many roles. Shanti Duta role, chariot driver role, friend role, niece role. So many roles Krishna has played for the sake of Pandavas. Hare Krishna Mataji.
7.51. When Arjuna thus saw Krishna in his original form, he said, seeing this human life form, and it is this, I think it is not visible, Mataji. After that, seeing this human life form,
What?
very beautiful. That one word is not visible.
That which you wish to see. That screen is over. Which you wish to see it was. But I am right now sharing the next one, Mataji. 11.5152. Which one you are seeing?
Yes, 11.51 only. When
Okay.
Arjuna thus saw
Acha,
Krishna in
there
his
you are
original
saying. Seeing this human-like
life form,
form, so very beautiful.
so quite beautiful. Yeah, my mind is now pacified and I am restored to my original nature. 11.52. The blessed Lord said, my dear Arjuna, the form which you are now seeing is very difficult to behold. Even the demigods are ever seeking the opportunity to see this form, which is so dear. 11.54. My dear Arjuna, only by undivided devotional service can I be understood as I am standing before you, and can thus be seen directly. Only in this way can you enter into the mysteries of my understanding. Hare Krishna
Yesterday also
Mataji.
he told, no, Hare Krishna. Yesterday what did he say? Oh, Arjuna, I have elaborately, I have told you all my opulences. Why do you want to know all these things? So similarly, he is also saying, see, these things are temporary. What is permanent? Undivided devotional service. Ahaituki and apratigata. Dharma Saraipum Samparo Dharmo, Yato Bhakti Radhokshaje, Ahaituki apratigata. Yatatma Suprasidati. That is permanent, isn't it? So why are you bothered about all these forms? Don't pay attention to it. Bhaktyatwana nyasakya agam evam vido Arjuna nyatvam drashtum cha tatvena praveshtum cha parantapa. My dear Arjuna, only by undivided and undevotional service I can be understood. As I am standing before you and can thus be seen directly. See, Shamsudra form came. Only in this way can you enter into my mysteries of my understanding. Mataji, I'll read the verse. You just read the translation, Mataji. Matkarma krit matparamo madbhaktya sangaviva varjitaka nirvaira sarva bhuteshu yes mam yeti pandava.
My dear Arjuna, one who is engaged in my pure devotional service, free from the contaminations of previous activities and from mental speculations, who is friendly to every living entity, suddenly comes to me. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So, my dear Arjuna, one is engaged in my pure devotional service. Krishna has given this definition for pure devotional service in so many verses in Bhagavatam. Even 2-3 Avyayaya. In Bhagavad Gita also, you take in 9th chapter and all, certain places he has told about undivided or a pure devotional service. Pure devotional service is very easy. Shavanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Pada Sevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atmanivedanam, Navavida Bhakti. That is what is pure devotional service. Okay, but the Jnanis and all are into mental speculation. That's why they are not able to understand Krishna. Okay, so 11.1 to 4, Arjuna is asking questions. Will you show so that others will be able to trust you? They will not have any misleading opinion. So, oh Krishna, can you show? Yeah, Krishna shows. And then Krishna is first telling, See, to see my form, what all Arjuna you need. And great Devatas are also wanting to know that. And what kind of universal form means? It is temporary, it is not permanent, it is materialistic, it is full of cosmic manifestation. All he tells are 5 to 8. Arjuna's vision of the universal form. So he says, you cannot see with this vision. So I will give you the Aneka Adbhuta Darshana. Because to have the Adbhuta Darshana, you need to have the Adbhuta vision also. So then he shows the Vishwarupa Darshana. Krishna's reply when Arjuna is telling how he is able to, Aham Kalosmi, I am time. So the 5 subject matter. Krishna is one subject, that is time. Kalosmi. I can do anything about any future, present, and past. Then Arjuna is praying, oh Krishna, I am not able to behold this. Can you please show your 4-handed? Then he comes to 2-handed. So Aishwarya, that is why we should never be in Aishwarya. We should always be Krishna's Nitya, 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 Dasanu, 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 Dasa. Pure Bhakti needed to see Krishna. So Bhaktyatva Ananya. No Anya. If you have only pure Bhakti, you can see me. No Anya. Bhav can help you to see me. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. My dear devotees, thank you so much for attending today's class. And please don't miss tomorrow. Tomorrow chapter is very small, but still Bhakti Yoga culmination, it